What's up everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is I'm gonna make a new unboxing for today, and also this is from Timo, right? So okay, so here it is, the my new package, my parcel, and I believe this is the CCTV camera that I bought, right? And it's also so cheap, right? In a cheaper price. So let's hoping and expect that this is gonna be a good one, and it's gonna be long time use, right? So okay, so without further ado, let's gonna unbox it up. Okay, so okay, here it goes guys. So let's gonna okay. Oh okay, so why is this still on getting this one? So okay, let's go gonna open this up. All right, so this is the CCTV camera, right, in which I'm gonna put it into out in the window, right? Yes, VStarcam, my safety, my rules. Oh, look at that. Okay, yes, look at that, so nice. And also the packaging is good. Okay, we've got the features right over here. We got some HD image and video quality, full color and night vision, human detection and real-time alerts, adapt ISP, image signal processing technology to preserve true colors, HD lens, microphone reset button, white light infrared lamp, and TF card slot. So since I also have a memory card, but I think I don't need a memory card for this one. So this is just only for monitoring, right? So okay, let's go gonna open this up. And also I already installed the app in my phone, right? So here it goes. This is the CCTV camera right over here. We got that, so nice. And what else is inside? So we've got some user's manual, and also right at bottom, right, we've got this screw right over here. We've got the USB cable, which is type C, and also we've got the power cable, okay, adapter. And what is this? Okay, I think this is a gonna put into, yes, you can yes, you can put that into the wall, right? As you can see, you can put that into the wall. Nice. Will you look at that? So since I don't need to put that in the wall, I only need to put that into the base, just like that, right? So, and it's rotatable, right? So okay, let's go gonna setting it up. Okay, so okay, here it goes. I'm gonna have to plug it on. So let's just hope that I'm gonna be hoping and expecting that this will be easy, aside from the Roku, right? Since I have some I have some problem with the Roku, right? So okay, I'm gonna have to plug it on, right? I'm gonna have to plug. Okay, and then let's go. If it is gonna be okay, so gonna have to, oh okay, whoa, okay, it's rotating. So gonna have to go to the, I'm gonna have to go to this one right over here, the Ocam. Oh okay, okay, I'm gonna have to agree. So I'm gonna have to make a, I'm gonna have to make an account. Okay, so okay, here it goes. So I'm gonna add a new device.
Powered on the device. Scan the QR code on the device.
So I think there's a QR code, right? So there you go. I'm gonna have to, okay, I'm gonna have to,
Not successfully scanned for a long time. You can try select the device.
okay, I'm gonna have to, I got it. Okay, I'm gonna have to do it again. So allow all. So since you know I can see, so I'm gonna have to make a picture, right? So that hard to, you know, like that one, and then I'm gonna have to, right? So see, there you go. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna have to go to the, you know, and then put that on. So that it will go scan, right? You know what? I feel so, you know, not so good in this QR code, right? So I guess I'm gonna have to do it again, right? So okay. So okay, it's already connecting. So it says right here, the connection process takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Please do not disconnect the network, right? And it's also right over here is already checked. Camera access to network. Registering cloud services now check. And also camera adds to app. So okay. So I'm gonna have to wait 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, so stay tuned for it. Okay. Oh, sorry for that. So stay tuned, okay? So okay, so here it goes. So this is the, you know, the actual camera over here. Oh, sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna have to play that one if it is gonna be good, right? So as you can see, okay, right, okay, this is my hand right over here, and it's also I can also into full screen mode, right? Oh, it is so clear. Look at that. So I can manage right over here. Yes, and then right, and then I'm gonna have to go. Yes, look at that. Look at my face. Alright, so here it goes. I'm gonna have to see that my face in the living room, right? So I'm gonna have to transfer this into the window so that I can see outside, right? If it is gonna be my my Amazon or Temu will arriving, right? So I can see that in here. Okay, so I'm gonna have to change the position for this one. Okay. So all right, that is the outside of the whole outside of the house. So at the window, so I'm gonna have to adjust the chair there. Okay, I'm gonna adjust the chair into that one. Okay. Okay, so here it goes. So I'm gonna have to, oops, okay, gonna have to, okay, I'm gonna have to adjust that one. Okay, and then yes, okay, perfect. Okay, I'm gonna have to exit, right? So since it is so hard for me to, you know, okay, I'm gonna have to adjust that one outside, and then yes, much better. Okay. There's moving. Okay. I think there's a car. Okay. Okay. There we go. So perfect, and also I can see that there's always a mail or anything, right? So okay, this is perfect, right? So for me to have this, and then also I'm gonna have to use the other camera to set it up. Okay, so okay, so very good. And also okay, okay, you can see it. So okay, there it goes, perfect. And I believe that broom over there is gonna be, okay. So I think that's it for today's video. So unboxing, first impression, and unboxing, first impression, and also what is this called? Testing, right? So okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Okay. So okay, that is the VStarcam that I bought from Timo, which is also very good. It has also a high resolution, right? And it's also a very good CCTV camera, so that I can monitor the house. I can monitor this room I can monitor this room. So someone gets in, someone gets in the room, or also I or also someone also some deliveries will, right, deliveries will come up, right? So that's why I have to monitor. Okay, also it's also also my personal use for this one is a very good item, very good product for a cheaper price. Okay, so I think that's it for this vlog, and I hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to subscribe and also click that notification bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming future videos. Okay, so see you again on my next video, everyone.